Sa matagal yung health, baka si Doc Jimmy Montoya baka makashare pa.
Thank you very much, Secretary. Actually sa health, kami siguro yung sector na may public good na malaking portion dyan. And if I may highlight also, of course, just to highlight na we are not just looking at yung marketable, commercially profitable technology, but also looking at technologies to be used by government for the public good. For example, if you remember, during the COVID-19 pandemic, siguro kailangan ko na sabihin po ulit-ulit ito, na yung ginamit na model ng DOH for predicting how the COVID-19 pandemic will spread actually started with our technology. So yung technology na ginamit po namin for dengue, malaria, and typhoid fever in region 6 and 7 na nag-work, tamang-tama nung pumutok ang pandemic, if you will imagine, kailangan in place na kaagad yung ating model na gagamitin. Kaya if you notice, in a matter of days, nandiyan na kaagad yung prediction model natin because nilipat lang namin, niliconfigure lang to the behavior of the COVID-19 virus. Kaya ito ay nagawa natin. And I'm proud to say this is already adopted by the DOH. In fact, this is the basis for what they are now doing for monitoring diseases like dengue, malaria, influenza, and all of the other diseases. So nagsimula po yan through the FASTER program na sinuportahan ng DOST. Bukod pa dyan, meron din tayong mga technologies na, sorry I forgot, yung ating partnership with PhilHealth is very important. I have to acknowledge that. Yung po mga packages na narinig yung ina-announce ng PhilHealth ngayon, yung expansion ng dialysis, that was based on studies na ginawa po under the PhilHealth studies. So yung naging basihan nila kung bakit in-increase yung support ng PhilHealth for different diseases. At ongoing pa to, marami pang mag-increase. And this is actually based on studies generated under the PhilHealth studies. So tayo po ang nakikipag-cooperate sa PhilHealth para mag-generate ng studies ng ganito, which is really evidence for policy. Now, technology po, marami tayong example. Of course, yung byword na ngayon na Lagundi, for example, started really with our support ng council. In fact, it is even older than the council itself. DOST pa lang may support na. And of course, sinundan na po yan ng other technologies, drugs that herbal medicines have already been, is already commercially available. And then we also have the knee implant na it is not only just commercially available here, but also abroad, which was really developed through Filipino expertise, our Filipino scientists. And this was actually made possible because there's a need to tailor the technology to the Filipino. Kasi before kasi yung mga knee implant, if you remember si President Estrada pa had to go to abroad just to have an implant. Ngayon hindi na, you can do it here. And the knee implant is tailored to the Filipino knee, not the American knee or the Western knee. So ito po yung commercially available na, and it's actually cheaper than what was already imported technology before. So that's the benefit of our technology. So ilan lang po ito sa mga example na nagawa na po ng DOST. Thank you.